Well, it is all over at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Amazulu, Usuthu, Olma Peshankona Yeqanda. Mamelodi Sundowns take all the 3 points at home. And this is my views, my expressions. Please do subscribe, share, we are here and sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. Elami igama uSiboniso Sizo wakomnikathi Sibongo, and as usually angihambi ngedwa ngiphethe umsayipho zofana nolwazi.
Good evening, Buffet. So this is my views, my expressions. I'm Sipo. We are looking at Sundowns versus Amazulu second match, where Sundowns registered their first win of the season.
Uthe washy.
Bashawa abantu yashaya Sundowns ashaya Amazulu.
Well, just about as first, let's just move quickly into it. The game, ukuthi uyibone kanjani, maybe starting from the line up to the first half. On the first half, one could say ukuthi maybe Amazulu were trying to do something, but Mamelodi Sundowns was more powerful than them. But people could see a game ngendlela eningi ezahlukene. Wena, how did you make of this game?
I think Amazulu came with a 3-5-2 formation where we saw 3 center backs in this guy who Keegan Elani, and then Ubalo Pirates Umthetwa, and then bese kuzoba uFelix, and then bese kuba uHanamo and uHadebe as ama full backs who were in the first half. I think they were very offensive, and then in the middle you have uBonganzungu, uHlangabeza, uXtini, and then phambili u had uMasheho noNgwenya. So they were trying to make sure they close the Sundowns down ikakhulukazi in the middle, because they know how lethal they can be with Tamapola, Aqamo, and they're trying to play in half spaces for Urenes. So I think they were successful in the first half, and they did get quite a few very good chances arising from counter attacks, where I believe Ungwenya should have at least had one goal on the score sheets for Amazulu. And I must say, in the first half, pitch did still they came away from us, because I think they altered the pitch very much to a point ukuthi abadlali were not so confident on the ball. So bebenokusaba whenever umuntu ephatha ibhola ubefuna the next touch ukuze nze sure ukuthi mayiphatha ibhola ubalancile and he makes the perfect pass. And the more you do that, even to akunasidingo, is the more you invite abantu ukuthi bepress. And so igame bina stop and go abantu bayashibilika and all of that. And then that's his first half. And then when you go to the side of Sundowns were going with the 4-3-3 formation with Letlago, Sales and Reines, and then bese kuba Alende, Umkwena, and okay, and then move.
We met you, Safran.
Yes. So no metu saqalanga, in fact bekumshishi.
Oh, sure, yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, bekumshishi. So at the back was uLunga nomdunyelo, and then kubo Kupito noKekana. So they were trying with bedlala, and usually you see Sundowns trying to play ball from within, trying to break Amazulu from uDilani to Alend being so offensive, and azamukhlangameza amabhola, umshishi azamukhlangameza amabhola from the middle of the park. But Amazulu, the way they were so compact in the middle of the park, it was not easy for Sundowns to make those balls. And Ukutlwano, I'm not sure if confidence affects him, but he was so very low in confidence. And as a result, that I think they could have maybe been something of to his own name. I think he had 2 big chances that he could have easily passed to either Usales or Tembazwana or Urenes, but he decided to take them. And those 2 big chances, when he failed to take them, and then they kill his confidence, and which is what we saw in the second half. Ucoach alendanga nothi game iqala vele wenza ama substitutions omkhipha, which I'm not sure how it's gonna feel to the boy and to the coach. If he's still gonna get a second chance to prove himself, I'm not sure. So we'll see how it goes.
But there is a little bit of conflict when you say he was very low on confidence, but whenever he get an opportunity, he will take it rather than passing omunye umuntu. Wouldn't that say ukuthi you've got confidence to kick the ball and take accountability?
No, he had a lot of balls that he had. He misplaced his passes. I think those two chances came towards the end of the second half, and that's where the coach made the decisions, because those chances looked like they were reactionary, and you are trying to redeem himself. So when you do that, you then show coach who's now too. So that's why coach tried to protect him by substituting him in the halftime, and he brought in new players like Matthews, whom I believe brought the game into life.
Yeah, so you speak about Matthews bringing the game to life. He got a goal, he got an assist. Personally, I thought he was deserving man of the match, but I think he also played very little time as compared to the guy Sales, who was given the man of the match. I think also that counts. But had he started the game with this performance, I believe that he would have gotten a man of the match. But Matthews is coming from such a dark cloud. You know, people been bashing him. You will remember our own Plamba, Umphela, on another video that became trending. Hey, Umateo. So coming from all that and now getting confident and being able to produce such performance, what would you say about that performance, Matthews?
Yeah, like have a consistent season is and he needs to be extraordinary to win Sundowns' hearts back, because his misses in the World Cup and the Champions League final, they can't be forgiven just like that, unfortunately. I'm one of those guys who haven't even forgotten about that. You only play...
But just giving performance of none.
Yeah, but you only play Champions League final once in a while. So... But we've moved on because it's time. But hey, I kohlakala.
Well, I saw a great performance on him, but let us also move to Modiba. How do you make of the performance of Modiba namhlanje?
Udlala uMasigozi lo muntu. Udlala uMasigozi serious mfethu. I don't know what's happening with Modiba mfethu, but he's one of those guys abangayithatha serious Sundowns mfethu. I'm sorry to say that, but unfortunately the guy is just something else. Lo muntu makwajombula yini nje mfethu yonke into asokuzoyenza uzokwenza into ongayazi nje. I think today the only ball mhlambe libe productive alitholile, there was one ball I crossile a cutback that got to Ushalulile, and then Ushalulile ubese ufuna ushaya ivolley from a rebound from his first touch, and then the ball was intercepted. That is the only ball. Otherwise Modiba he just blast the ball akabonga nepali akaqali nonyawo lakho uhlumi kanjani, uma eshaya cross ushaya into yale into ayagijimela uzogijimela ukuthi uyabo uzorecover move where he is not so good even nakhona yabo. So I don't know mfethu, maybe coach kumele ashashanise ibhasi adini ithuba sibone ukuthi uzobenzelani labantu beSundowns.
Well, let's move to Ushalulile, the one that you are mentioning right now. He's been some time seeing as Nomokona Nomageko, and then he came back quick game Chippa United, but he didn't play, and then he comes in today. He gives a solid performance as well.
Yeah, he gave Sundowns a focal point. I think he got the instruction from the coach to stay in the box and try and make sure Samazulu are not so comfortable, because with Reines, I think today he was trying to play around the box or even outside the box, where in some instances you'll see Ipola Sundowns will come over from either a cross or a ball from the middle if he could have put also a box in. But with Ushalulile, I think he gave that focal point of reference. You saw the second goal for Matthews. Ushalulile went there, he contested the ball to Felix. Felix was trying to clear the ball, and then it went back to a Sundowns player, and then it went to Matthews, and then it was a goal. So he gave that. I think usazothingakala ikakhulukazi when Sundowns is still like inokudunguzela kanje. If he's available, give him those few minutes that you can give him. He's still Shalulile, that he may not be having a good form, but he still remains one of the most important members of Sundowns camp.
Well, good people, Mamelodi Sundowns take all 3 points as they win by 2 goals to naught at home at Loftus Stadium. That's just about it from our side. Now, you can leave your comment there in the comment section. No uphikise osekushiwo wena othi awuhambelani nakho. This is my views, my expressions, and as now most uyaqala ukujoyina, please do subscribe. Mawuthi uyabuya, we say we love you. Please keep up the good work ukuthi usibuke ngaso sonke isikhathi. From mina umfana kamnikathi ukhaphela ugcotha ijama namaqoqo comment ehlangene. I say I'm out of here.
Sibonge bafethu. Sibone ku MTNs ngeweekend sikwenzakalani.
Eish, there is that.
Sharp.